Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss how to motivate yourself. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys. If you are new, by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to motivate yourself. Motivation is the driving force behind success in achieving one's goals. However, there are times when it can be challenging to find the motivation to get started or to stay on track. Here are some tips on how to motivate yourself. Number 1. Set clear and achievable goals. Having clear goals in mind helps to provide direction and focus. Break down your goals into smaller, achievable tasks and set deadlines to ensure progress. Number 2, find your why. Understanding why you want to achieve a certain goal can be a powerful motivator. Think about the benefits or rewards you receive once you accomplish your goal. Number 3, create a positive environment. Surround yourself with positive people, inspirational quotes, or images that inspires you. Eliminate distractions and focus on creating a supportive environment that encourages productivity. Number 4, celebrate small wins. Recognize and celebrate each small achievement along the way. This can help to boost your confidence and motivate you to keep going. Number 5, practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental health can help to improve your motivation. Make sure you get enough sleep, exercise regularly, and eat a healthy diet. Practicing meditation or mindful can also help to reduce stress and increase focus. Number 6, visualize success. Imagine yourself successfully completing your goal. Visualize how you will feel and benefits that come in achieving it. This can help to keep you motivated and focus on your end goal. Remember that motivation can be a flow, but implementing these tips you can help to keep yourself on track and achieve your goals. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation on how to motivate yourself. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.